Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you. It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. So for the fourth recipe this week, I am making pecan pie rugelach. If you have never had rugelach cookies, oh wow, you are in for a treat. This cream cheese dough reminds me of a cross between a pie dough and a cookie dough. It is a dream to work with and even dreamier to eat. Look at those spirals of goodness. This is pecan pie heaven in a cookie. Another perfect addition to the holiday platter this year. And let me just say really quick, for those who can't do nuts, this is a very versatile dough that I have actually used for chocolate raspberry rugelach and poppy seed too. So if this pecan pie filling doesn't do it for you, stuff it with whatever you want. But for us pecan pie lovers, let's get going. First, to make the dough, and you will need vegan butter, vegan cream cheese, and I am partial to the Tofutti brand for all my baking projects that use cream cheese, vanilla extract, sugar, flour, and I'm using vegan egg by Follow Your Heart as the egg replacer because the original recipe called for egg yolks. And I do love replacing egg yolks in a recipe with the vegan egg. I'm also using vegan lactic acid to enhance the cream cheese in the dough and some baking powder too. So first I'm combining the cold water with that vegan egg, then add the vanilla extract to that. I'm just smoothing out the vegan cream cheese with the butter on low speed. There's no need to whip this to light and fluffy here. You're just going to add the sugar and just mix it to combine. Add the egg replacer and then mix it well. And then last, add the sifted flour, baking powder, and salt. That's how easy it is to make this dough, but you do have to chill it before working with it, and I would recommend to divide it into 2 equal portions, or it's just really too much to work with all at once. So chill that dough for at least 2 hours or overnight, and meanwhile you can make the pecan pie filling. For that you will need pecans and orange rind. Now I'm using the candied orange from my recent chocolate tart recipe, but if you don't want to make an entire other recipe, believe me, I get it. You can simply just use the zest of 1 large orange instead. Cinnamon, vegan butter, and light brown sugar. Everything except for the vegan butter goes into the food processor and grind it to a fine texture. It will be sort of like a paste if you are using the candied oranges, and believe me, that's a good thing. Once the dough is chilled, you're going to re-roll it to a pliable consistency on a floured surface. It should be about 6 inches wide by 18 inches long, and then you're going to spread half of the melted vegan butter over the dough, and then half of the pecan pie filling goes next. Roll it up jelly roll style. Just make sure that the flour from the underside of the dough doesn't get rolled up inside, or it's going to sort of bake with some like hollow spaces in there. Then just cut the log into 16 equal portions and then repeat the whole process with the other portion of dough and the remaining filling ingredients. Set them up on a sheet pan spaced about 1 inch apart. These are not going to spread at all. Brush with the remaining melted butter and then sprinkle the tops with cinnamon sugar. Bake in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes or until they're medium golden brown. And then just try not to eat them all before your party starts. These cookies are so incredibly good, like little bite-sized nut rolls. I really hope you're going to want to try this recipe, so head on over to GretchensVeganBakery.com for the printable version and more. And don't forget to subscribe here to my channel so that you don't miss a single recipe. And stay tuned for tomorrow for the next recipe in my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies recipe series. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and for being here with me. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.